Hey everyone, ever found yourself in the woods with damp firewood and not a single dry twig in sight? Well, I've got a classic bushcraft trick that every Boy Scout should master, making a feather stick. This is all about knife control, patience, and making fire, even when the odds are stacked against you. Let's dive in. First step, find a stick that's about as thick as your thumb and as straight as you can get it. It's best if the wood feels dry. Look for dead branches off the ground, not soggy logs. Now, here's where knife control comes in. Grab your trusty Scout knife, hold the stick steady, and with the blade angled just a bit, start shaving thin curls off the wood. The key? Don't chop. Use slow, controlled strokes. The thinner and longer the shavings, the better your feather stick will catch a spark. Picture those shavings like wood spaghetti spiraling out from your stick. Take your time here. If your curls keep breaking off, try changing your angle or easing up on the pressure. It's all about practice. The more you do it, the better your skills will get. And hey, always cut away from yourself and keep your fingers out of the blade's path. Safety first. Once your stick looks like a wild, feathery mess, you're ready for fire starting. Set your feather stick on a dry patch of ground, lay some tinder underneath, and get out your fire steel or matches. Those fine curls you shaved? They'll catch a spark like magic. A few strikes and whoosh, you got flames. From there, just add kindling and build up your fire. Making feather sticks is about more than just starting fires. It's about learning patience, sharpening your knife skills, and being prepared for the wild. The best part? You can practice this in your backyard, at camp, anywhere you've got some sticks in a safe spot. So next time you're out with your troop, challenge each other to see who can make the best feather stick. You'll all get better, and when it's time to light that campfire, you'll be ready. Remember, the forest is your classroom, and every stick is a chance to learn something new. Stay safe, have fun, and keep those knives sharp in skill, not just in edge. Catch you next time, Scouts.